All right, YouTube. Here we got Sherman's Revenge. It is an Invacare TDX SP, a chair that I've had for some time, and it is now getting ready to get rebuilt. I've already done the soldering work on the joystick. We cut that open and rewired the whole thing. I just need to finish setting the ferrite. I started a video on that, but I kind of forgot to film the actual work. Here we've got the base, as you see. I'm cleaning it up right now. And then we got to replace all these parts. Casters, motor brushes, main wheel, hardware that holds the linkages, the walking beams, the head tubes, bearings inside the head tubes. Probably repack the gearboxes with grease. Got to clean this mechanism here in the middle, the seating system, tilt mechanism. Got to get that cleaned up and re-grease the rails, which are on the left and right side there. And I've already refurbished the upper part a little bit. Got new arm pads on, as you see there. They're not all ripped like the other ones were. And yeah, we'll have to rebuild this front end as well, the front riggings.